What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another video. Today we are planning on hooking up the Amazon tailgate assist that I got offline from Amazon. So another mod to add to the truck. You know, of course I got the wheels, I got the double din radio, I put the wheel well covers on it, tonneau cover, seat covers. Yeah, man, it's been a few things done, and it was completely red. We still not done. It got cold on us, so we ain't got there yet. We got underglows underneath of her. What else can we say we done to this truck? Of course, y'all see it's my scrap truck. New tail lights, new brake light, third brake light from Amazon. All Amazon products. What else? We raised it up 2 inches in the front so it wasn't nose diving as well. I put a 40 series Flowmaster on her. Me and my son also did the cab lights on top. No template. Make sure y'all go back and check that video out. There's a few things that we did. So right now, and we put the Bully exhaust 4-inch tip on it. That's about it. But we definitely still have more to come. Today we just gonna go ahead, like I said to y'all, we're gonna go ahead and put the tailgate assist on here. We're gonna we're gonna attempt this and see how it go. So first you have to get this off and put the new piece on, which as y'all can see, and then you have to screw this piece right here into here, spread it out so that way the shock will be able to go onto it as well. It came with an Allen key, star Allen key, came with the pieces for the shock adjuster. So right now we're gonna go ahead and attempt this and see how it goes. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Go ahead and try to attempt this, y'all. First, we gotta get this off, which of course everybody already know. Just raise it up a little bit, get some slack off of it, let it down, and just drop it. Hopefully, I can break that loose. Don't know, but we're gonna try. My hammer in the truck. Let me see. Let's see if my hammer.
Just like the night when he was at the, when we were at the, what's it called? It's just like the night we were at the, complex.
I'm not one of the springs that he grew up with. You feel me? See, got that nice and snug. Oh shit, gotta switch that. Where my big ones? Let me.
The Baltimore Beat Kings. I'm blocking the camera, but it's moving.
Get me?
Yup. I think you need to take the light off though to get to the back of it. Or it should just come out.
See, I had to get the mule out here. My big young man come out here and pop that loose.
about everything. Try to calm it down. Right.
Let's see
Right.
if this hook will go over the top of that. Raise that up. Just a little.
You were sitting on my couch eating a fucking lollipop?
There we go. Alright, we good.
No. So you were eating a lollipop in the living room. In my living room, you fucking lollipop. Go get that fucking shoot up ass. Get that goddamn
Now, next step is to take this, spread this out up in here. Let me help y'all so y'all can see. Stick it in here. Get it up in there. So that way it'll spread out. And then you can take this nut and stick it in there like that. So give me a minute while I spread that out, put that in there. And I'll get back to y'all in a second. Hang it up in there. Yeah, what's that?
Piece.
I need
Did you move this?
I need a 10-inch. I need a 10-inch ratchet. Not wrench. 10-inch wrench, y'all. And then once we put this in, spread that out, then we can pop it back out. And then we could just go ahead and hook up the shock. It shouldn't take that long, real quick. But we waiting on my son to come back. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. So we waiting on my son to come back with a number 10, so that way I can go ahead and spread it out. But I think that shock adjuster definitely gonna be a good added thing to the truck, because we definitely needed it. It definitely will help. But we got more to come. Definitely got more to come. So just waiting, get warm, and it's gonna be on and popping from there. So all right, we got this. Give me a minute. Think I'm doing it wrong. Screw. Hey, my first time doing it too, y'all. I gotta get this. Get behind it. Spray.
I mean, it fell a little farther than we wanted it to.
Yeah. Trying to get it. Spread up.
We can spread out.
This piece in here. Spread. Yeah, it's spreading. And then I gotta take the. Alright.
how you got loose. It's loose now. Are you supposed to twist that screw all the way out?
Yeah, this will come out.
Okay, so it's supposed to do that. Okay.
Nice and straight. Now, where's my bolt? Right. Then y'all, we put this bolt up in here.
Well, that's pretty easy.
I need a little bit bigger.
Not this size?
Alright guys, my phone died, didn't have enough juice left in it. So we going to go ahead and lift this up just a little bit. Well, actually, we're going to have to lift it up a lot. So we're going to move right up and put all the tools that we need right there. Box. Alright. And one there. And turn it around. What? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, lift the gate up.
Don't be ignorant.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Fancy. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and let y'all see what we got going here. Boom. Nice and slow. Let's do that again. One more time. See, now mind y'all, my thing is broke, so that's why it shifts like that. That's why another reason why I put that on there to help. So that way we won't have this problem. So hopefully that helped big time. Alright. We are good. Nice. Definitely can't complain about that. So, yep, we all together. It's pushed in. Of course, like I said, we still got work to do to getting the new whole piece right here. I just got to go out and buy one, put it on. So that way it'll sit flush like that, and then it won't pop. It'll just come down nice and easy. Might have to do a scrapyard run this weekend or something. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Did I do a good job? Did I do a bad job? Y'all think it's wrong? What? It's just more work, more mods, another video for you guys to check out, see what's coming to the channel. Because a whole lot of upgrades to this truck is coming. So, with that being said, it's your boy C-Lo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content. It's really a quick, easy mod. Get you a start bit to get that off. Because if your truck is older like mine, definitely gonna need this instead of this. What else? I use a size 14 on the bolt right here. What else? Allen key for the bolt to get it out right there, to tighten it down in there. That's it. These are technically. Chase, stop. These are the 3 tools that you would need. Other than that, quick and easy. Pop your pins out, put them back in, and voila magic, you done. 14 Allen keys, big Allen keys. Instead of this, if you have an older one, older truck, a little rusty, this is what you need. And that's it. And it's done. So I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy CeeLo, Smoking Metal Car Fun. Saying it again, signing off with another video. Peace.